Hello everyone, my name is Gina and I'm software engineer at Google. Today, I'm excited to announce a new integration between gRPC and Google Cloud Platform. Single Cluster Gateway for Mesh and gRPC Observability in Cloud Service Mesh. In this video, we will give you an overview of Proxyless gRPC, explore when is the right solution for you, and then dive into a hands-on demo to get you started with Proxyless gRPC with Cloud Service Mesh. In a typical example, a gRPC client establishes a connection with a gRPC server. Cloud Service Mesh gives your clients information about which servers to contact and how to load balance requests. Clients communicate with the server through the sidecar proxy. Cloud Service Mesh with Proxyless gRPC offers an additional deployment model in which gRPC applications can participate in the service mesh without needing a sidecar proxy. This makes it easier to bring service mesh capabilities to your gRPC applications. If your service mesh includes many clients and backends, you might find that the total resource consumption from running sidecar proxies starts to add up, and a Proxyless approach can result in efficiency gains. By removing the additional hop through a proxy, it can offer lower latency and higher throughput. Without sidecar proxies, the deployment and management of the service mesh becomes simpler and less complex. gRPC has strong security support. You can centrally manage access between workloads using client authorization and MTLS. Today, I'm excited to share that you can use the Kubernetes Gateway API to configure Cloud Service Mesh for both Proxyless gRPC and sidecar proxy. Gateway API was originally designed to manage traffic from clients outside of the cluster to services inside the cluster, the ingress or north-south case. And the same API is extended to be used for inter-service or east-west traffic within the same cluster. gRPC OpenTelemetry metrics is another feature available for you, and it provides insights to help you understand systems' behavior and identify performance bottlenecks. For Proxyless gRPC in Cloud Service Mesh, additional mesh information is included in the metrics, such as mesh ID, cluster name, and service name. Now, let's take a look at the hands-on demo to get you started with Proxyless gRPC in Cloud Service Mesh. I have prepared some resources on my machine, and let's start from deploying a service. A service called Hello World is defined to wrap up all the backends to which we will be directing traffic. Then we apply the resource to create the service. Next, we create a deployment with our Cloud Service Mesh Observability example server image. Some environmental variables are also defined in the deployment, including Cloud Service Mesh workload name and OTel resource attributes. The gRPC Bootstrap generator is used to tie the server into the service mesh. Then we apply the deployment resource and verify servers are running as expected. Next, we have a gRPC route resource to specify how traffic should be routed within the mesh. And then we apply the gRPC route resource and verify it's created successfully. After that, we deploy a pod monitoring resource to export the Prometheus metrics to Google Cloud Monitoring so that you can see them in Google Cloud Console later. Now we have already set up a server for our demo that set up a client, and the steps are very similar to what we did for the server. Here we have another deployment for our CSM observability example client image, and the environmental variables, and the gRPC Bootstrap file. Then we apply the client deployment resource. Similar to the server, we also have a pod monitoring resource to export the Prometheus metrics from client to Google Cloud Monitoring, and we verify both pod monitoring resources are running. Alright, so we have servers and the client ready, and the example client continuously sends an RPC to the server every second. And now let's take a look at the Metrics Explorer in Google Cloud Monitoring. From Google Cloud Monitoring, navigate to Metrics Explorer, and in the metrics list, you can find Prometheus and gRPC There are 8 metrics available, including code duration, message size, and how many codes started on both server and client side. Select the metrics you are interested in, and you can also specify a time frame from the dashboard. I hope you enjoyed the demo. You can find detailed documentations of these 2 new features at the first 2 links. Visit the gRPC.io site for documentation and example code. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to get notifications when new videos are available. And join our regular meetup and mailing list to get the latest updates of gRPC. Thank you for watching.